In this short video, we take a look at how to make a free premium list on Listly. To make your lists premium on Listly, all you need to do is go to your list page, hover over a list, and then choose to make that list premium. Let's have a look. So go to Listly to your list page. You get that through the menu and the lists, and you'll see all of your lists. You can then hover over any list and click that Make Premium. You get to confirm that, click Make Premium. Choose your list wisely because you can't change them. We added this free premium list to Listly to let you explore the full power of Listly Premium. So pick your 3 lists wisely. As I mentioned, you can't change those lists. And once you've made 3, that's it. You're fixed until you upgrade fully to the premium product. To upgrade to Listly Premium, all you need to do is go to Listly/upgrade, just like you can see on this screen here. And this explains the difference between free, pro, and team. And then just simply click on subscribe now. Upgrading is very simple. You just choose between monthly or an annual plan, and you can do it just for yourself, or you can add in team members as well. And then you fill in your Visa card details and click upgrade.